Hello and welcome to another amazing Google Merchant Center misrepresentation case study. However, this was not only misrepresentation and there were other errors as well, including false claim. But before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Ali Raza and I'm an owner of a Google partner company, and we help clients with Google Merchant Center, website development, Shopify development, WordPress development, complete Google Merchant Center approvals. We also help with Google ad suspensions. We also help with Google shopping campaigns management. We are a complete full-fledged digital marketing agency, and if you want to know more details about us, you can simply click on a link in the description to get started working with us. Now let's move back to this case study, and I'm going to show you how we were able to get it restored. So again, it's a teamwork, so credit should be given where due. It's a complete teamwork. So you may see what this is a website, and this is a health website, and with health website, even Google is very concerned, very cautious to get it approved. And this is an old client of us, and when an old client gets into suspended, luckily we were able to get it restored within 24 to 48 hours. However, everyone is not as lucky as this, and you guys may have to be patient or support to get it restored, because some cases take a lot longer. So I cannot commit for any client timings, but let me show you the suspension and then how we were able to get it restored. So this is now I'm going to show you the initial suspensions. So let me show you the first one. Okay, so over here you may see, you can verify the customer ID as well. So you may see over here that the product were approved were 535, and now only one product, and with that too in a limited state, not in approved state. So you may see over here, and you may see over here that the account is into the misrepresentation, and it's 28 June, today is 13 July. So you may see there is a minor difference over here, because I'm creating this video after some time. So after seeing it's running fine, then I'm going to create an audio. So it's a target country is United States, US. You may see over here, this is a generic misrepresentation error over here, but this is not the only error over here, and these are the also cause of concern that there were three more errors on the GMC. Number one is healthcare and medicine restricted pharmaceuticals. Second is false or misleading health claims. Third is sorry for this. Third is prohibited pharmaceuticals and supplements. So you may see over here that three errors are over there, and six products were being concerned for this, one for each. So we had to find a solution for this, but because the account is labeled for this, now Google is going to be very going to the depth for all of the products to verify, because in the health industry Google is very concerned. So now with misrepresentation, we are sorting out three other errors as well. So now I'm going to show you how we were able to get it restored. So this was an initial suspension. Then because it's a teamwork, so and what we did was we started communicating internal communication, and in this we came out with one of the first audit. And over the first audit, we suggested to add in a banner image to improve the look of the website. We also suggested that there was an additional pop-up. This is not a pop-up. This is when the site ended. This is not a pop-up. Pop-up is something which opens another bar. So we suggested removing the pop-up. Plus there was a placeholder. Now placeholder is an error, not ideally in misrepresentation. This error is ideally people get in website or online store needs improvement, but if you're not getting this error right now, you may get later on. So it's an ideally very good to remove it meanwhile. So we suggested removing placeholder initially. Placeholders are usually found in the contact form, a theme or plugin of the website. After this, we suggested adding a proper form as per standard. We suggested written where the website name is written should be clickable to the main domain. Need more professional attitude, professional wording, spacing, response timings, adding subheadings. Then unnecessary spacing was being removed. Everything was rechecked, even the email addresses, phone numbers, broker links, even the checkout procedure. When if I mean by checkout procedure, trying to add multiple products, seeing the discounts valid, payment method is not working. All of the payment methods were being cross-checked. Social media pages were cross-checked. Google Search Console was also being cross-checked. Even the reviews, verified reviews, everything was being checked. If everything is working fine or not. Even this additional chat bar was also being checked. Even the small to small details were being looked around. Even the communication, even for the phone calls we did randomly, plus on the Instagram, social media pages, everything was being cross-verified and it was being linked with the website. There are few policies. For instance, you cannot use a public email address like of a Gmail, but you have to use the company email address. Worked on the tracking page, fact page, everything, every small to small detail was being cross-checked to make it compliant. Disclaimers were also being rechecked. Plus Google Merchant Center was also being checked for any of the wrong details. Then the product descriptions was being sorted out, because we had a false or misleading health claim, so which is why I had to add the proper descriptions. We know the products because as we so far got experience on how Google tricks on it, so we sorted out by descriptions, improving the images, provided documentation where necessary. We sorted out all of the products over here, and the products have short description as well. The contact was also missing, so that was also being sorted. And in this process there was also because there was a lot of discussions, and I'm sorry I cannot show you all of them, but let me show you one of the client update over here. So for the client update, you may see over here that for right now we suggested removing Google Merchant Center from Shopify, and we suggested connecting it properly and push the product slowly. And these are the brands that we have to push around. And we suggested also there was we suggested adding them in the YouTube channel as well on the client, and slowly it needed to be done. After sorting out all of the errors, what we did was we tried getting the products being approved, and you will see over here that 61 products reviews under review where the title pending or was missing, error was gone. So again, we removed those, and then we manually tried adding all of those products. And then there was a time when we finally got one product approved over here. You may see over here that this product is approved, and then we saw that we have 18 products and approved were 2018. And then we further gone on and make to the 371 products approved. 312, I'm just showing you the finally we got it approved. Now I'm going to show you the real GMC as well. So I'm going to show you the real GMC now. So you may see over here that the products are now being approved, the ads are running. You may see over here that they are getting a lot of traffic with clicks, everything is working fine in the GMC. You can even verify with the ID as well. So if I'm going to show you the notification, there is no notifications which cause the concern. I'm going to show you the all products over here where the products are live and approved and running. And if I'm going to show you the needs attention area, so you guys can see there are no need attention area. If I'm going to show you, you set up there is no issue to be fixed. If I'm going to show you the history, so you may see over here that everything is now running fine. You may see over here that this was a time when we reduced the products as well, and this was a time here where we got them approved. So yeah, this is another successful case study for the client and for us. And now because we got a review from a client as well, so that is a very good thing. So the client also gave us a review, and the review is this. This can be checked on our website ID as well. They have fixed match, suspended GMC within 24 hours. Great teamwork. So yeah, it's a teamwork. It's a great teamwork, and I like to appreciate all of the team who participated in this project. So we can help you, but not in 24 hours, unfortunately. It takes time. You have to be patient. This was an old client, so the situation is different. We already know everything over here. We were working with him as well. So with the new clients, we look forward working with you, and we want to get your Google Merchant Center back approved. We also provide you monthly management with Google Shopping. We also provide complete website designing solutions, including where we can help you in creating all of your website from scratch to zero to hero. And get it approved on Google Merchant Center. We can also provide Google Search Console, Google Ads account as well. So it's an all-in-one bundle. So if you either need that, we are happy to assist you with this. So yeah, if you like this case study, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and you can hire our services through the description of this video. And we look forward working with you. So yeah, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.